Hello everyone, I am Dalru Japti, a math teacher. Today we will continue class 9, exercise number 3.1, question number 2. Question number 2 is a long question, so we read it by part. Question number 2 is a street plan. In this question we have one street plans of the cities. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. These two roads are along the north-south direction and east-west direction. So first we can draw a street which is north-south direction and east-west direction. So let us draw road like this. In this question, streets are drawing in east-west direction and north-south direction. Okay, so we can see that east-west, like east, west and north-south. So we mention here this one is our north direction, this one is south direction, this one is our east and this one is our west. So we plot a road which is direction east west and north south. Now all the other streets of the city run parallel to these roads and are 200 meters apart. There are about 5 streets in each direction. Using 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. Draw a model of the city on your notebook. Represent roads and streets by single lines. So let me add street lines. So we need to draw 5 parallel lines of north-south direction and 5 parallel lines of east-west direction. So draw first 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we plot 5 streets parallel to north and south direction. Similarly, we need to plot parallel to east-west direction. So first street, second street, third street, fourth street and fifth street. Okay, we can write first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Similarly, this is our first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now in this question there are many cross streets in your model. A particular cross street is made by 2 streets, one running in north-south direction and another in the east-west direction. Each cross street is referred to in the following manner. If the second street running in the north-south direction and fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, then we will call this cross street 2, 5. Now if the second street running in north-south direction, okay, so north-south direction second street, so this is our second street, okay, and north-south direction and fifth in the east-west direction, fifth in east-west, okay, so east-west fifth, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so this is our fifth direction. So crossing, then we call this cross street 2 and 5. Okay, so we can call this like second meet here and fifth meet here. So this is our 2 and 3. So by using this method we need to find out some question. So first one 4 3. Okay, so 4 3 means fourth one is 1 2 3 and fourth line is this, and third line is parallel to the west east side. So 1 2 and 3. So this is our 4 3. And second one is street can be referred to as a 3/4. So 3/4. Now count 1 2 and 3. 3 is here and fourth. So 1 2 3 and fourth. So fourth is here. So 3 and fourth meet at this point. So we can mention that 3 4. So this is the solution of our question number